Good evening, Mr. Great Star.
Yes, good evening.
I have a question for you.
Yes, what's the question?
Okay, so there has been a controversy about the recent suspension of Twitter operations by the president in Nigeria. What do you have to say about this?
What nonsense. How can Twitter just wake up and delete a publication made by the president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria? Don't they know that Nigeria is a sovereign state and has the right to regulate the affairs that affects the country? Eh? How can they delete? Don't they respect authority? Even if they cannot respect Buhari as the president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, can they respect his age? Is he a small boy? Even if they cannot respect Buhari, can they respect Lai Mohammed? Lai Mohammed, is he a small boy? Look at the cabinet. Who is a small boy there that Twitter cannot respect? This is Africa, and respect is very, very important. We value it so much. So you shouldn't have just wake up and delete the publication made by the president of... Hello? Senate President. Yes, how is the bill? The bill for the creation of the United African Republic, UAR. Yes. I've told you to do this thing very, very fast. Do it very, very fast, because these things I'm seeing in Nigeria now, I'm no longer comfortable. I want to move on. I want to move on to UAR. So you have to be very, 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 very fast with it. Yes, you better be. You better be. No more wasting time.
Okay, sir.
What's that?
One more question, please. One more question. Thank you.
Yes, please. I have a flight to catch. Be fast.
Okay, so now are you trying to say that the suspension of Twitter by the president does not affect the country in any way?
No. That is far from it. As a matter of fact, we are in the era of globalization, in which the people depends on the ICT, information communication technology, for communication. So when you suspend Twitter, it means you have truncated a lot of business communication, which will have a drastic effect on the economy. So what I'm saying, we'll see what we can do, so that the president can settle his cause with the management of Twitter. They should not drag the generality of Nigeria into it, because it will affect them. So that is that. But what I'm still saying is that Twitter should learn to respect elderly people. Thank you.